Hey, ready for a notebook that's as limitless as your creativity? Meet HEYFOLD, the Eternal Notebook, your rewritable, ultra-thin daily companion. Infinite reusability. Thanks to the next-level material innovation, HEYFOLD lets you write, erase, both dry and wet, then rewrite and reuse endlessly. Exceptional writing experience. Compatible with various pens, HEYFOLD delivers an exceptional smooth writing, fast drying, and smudge-proof results. Don't worry about the spilling. It's waterproof and has a sturdy build to ensure stable writing anywhere. Less is more. With its minimal, versatile, ultra-slim, and lightweight design, HEYFOLD is easy to store and carry. Plus, you can go digital by scanning and saving your notes down. Magnetic versatility. The built-in magnets allow you to stick HEYFOLD to fridges and metal surfaces, hold pens magnetically, and clip pages for hands-free use. Eco and wallet-friendly. One HEYFOLD equals unlimited notebooks, helping you save paper and preserve trees. Your ultimate daily companion, HEYFOLD is your everyday essential, commute companion, grocery organizer, and also a travel buddy. Minimal design, maximum impact. Unlimited ideas and creations in one HEYFOLD. Ready to write your future? HEYFOLD, your notebook reimagined.